How to book round trip in. So if you want to book a round trip in your Uber, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Uber application. After opening your Uber, you'll have this kind of interface. So you just need simply go with where to, tap on it, and then you can go and enter your current location. Make sure that you're on pick up now section and then enter your location. After that, enter your date and time and tap on set. Now you can easily contact with your Uber driver regarding multiple stops or a round trip. You have to let them know about the time and it will charge you a little for the compensation. Or you can also request a trip with multiple stops. That might help. You can open up your Uber and tap on where to, and you need to tap on the plus icon. You will have a plus icon under where to that can add up to 5 additional stops. But remember to keep each stop under 3 minutes, and once you've added multiple stops, it might help you to book a round trip in Uber. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.